I was converting some comics today, and I got really lazy of dragging and dropping it into my SD card every time. So I use this program called Conduit. Not the game, it's the program, okay? But basically, it's good for syncing, stuff. So let me show you what it does here. So this is Conduit, and I'm just gonna show you how to sync the folders, but you can do other stuff too. All right. So for this instance, I'm gonna use these two folders here. So this is my LRF folder, and this is my Sony folder. For this purposes, I'm just gonna call this A, alright, and B. Alright, and we're gonna sync it together. So what we're gonna do is sync A to B, and whatever changes over here will apply over here. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? But basically, just drag out a folder here, and let's drag out another folder. And what you have to do is configure this folder. So we're gonna say this is folder A, alright, and this is folder B. Okay. So all you gotta do is configure the items here, and we're gonna find the folder that we're gonna use. So the folder I'm gonna use is LRF folder in my ebooks. Okay, that's it. And for this one, we're gonna point it to the Sony folder here, or I mean folder B. All right. And my SD card here. So there we go. Now you see the arrow is only pointing one way from here to here, so it's pointing that way. But what I want to do is sync it both ways, and you'll see that the arrows will point both ways in a minute. If you go right click on it, now you right click on this arrow here, and you have synchronize options, two-way syncing, and now you can see it points both ways, this way and that way, and they'll be connected. So whatever changes over here to folder B and folder A, it'll affect both. Alright. So this is A and this is B, and now if I sync it, if I sync the groups, you'll see that it'll start writing whatever is here over to here. And same thing if you delete it, from one place to another, then it will happen too. So that's what I like to do with this. Really convenient for me. And if you want to make it delete automatically without you confirming it, which is what I like to do, alright, so is right click on this and go to the delete options and put delete the corresponding items. And this one it will not ask you for oh, do you want to delete or whatever. That's what I like to do when I'm doing syncing both ways. So it's really up to you, but that's just how I like it. And basically that's it, So let me show you what would happen if, let's say you delete one or you move it from this folder. So let me move 5 of these, okay, onto the desktop. And now you see that we only have 6, 7, 8, right? So we sync it again. See, right click on this, sync group, and you'll see that this one will delete those, and you see exactly the same, which is what I did. So that's basically the syncing program. Now you can do more than this. You can do some other stuff like let me show you your list here that they have. Firefox bookmarks, not to list, I'm not really sure. Most of these are like pretty crappy, but tomboy notes, that's pretty useful. And for photos they have Picasa, what the hell is Shutterfly? I haven't never heard of that. Facebook, F-Spot, Flickr, there you go. The only thing I liked about in here is probably the Google Docs, the Google Documents, because I heard you can like put any files now, so I'm gonna try that after this. And they have some network here, but I'm not really sure. I haven't tried all of these yet. But definitely I like the folder option. That's usually what I use it for right now. But check it out if you need to sync files over to your Sony reader or your Kindle, whatever, you know, or even your SD card or whatever it is. Really great, really convenient, and I dig it. Even though it still says development version, it works fine for me. It's really pimp. So that's it for this one on Conduit.